Here's how to play Genshin Impact Cloud unlimited time. So the first thing that you're going to do is to make sure that you are under the USA VPN. This will actually have the Genshin app work properly. Afterwards, redirect yourself to the Genshin application so you can do it through a laptop, PC, computer, or any device that you have. Afterwards, you can now go ahead and start the game. But when you start the game, you have to wait until it officially launches to the device that you have. So click on the launching game options and wait for it until it reaches the end. After reaching it to its end, you can now go ahead and enjoy playing it. So as you can see, this is how the Genshin game looks like. So you can go ahead and edit the controls if you want, and you can go ahead and enjoy the rest of the game until midnight.